The Maxim 100X is a sit-inside kayak for the more experienced recreational paddler. A better performing shallow V-chine hull design provides improved secondary stability and speed versus our regular recreational kayaks. With a 275-pound maximum weight capacity, this kayak is designed for lakes and rivers and moderately moving waters. This kayak comes with molded footrests that allow you to easily shift the position of your legs as you paddle throughout the day. The ErgoForm adjustable padded backrest and ergo-based seat pad are perfect for quick excursions out on the water. The Maxim 100X comes with a front storage hatch with a bungee cord, a cockpit table with a cup holder, and a spacious tank well with mesh deck covers that allows you to store any gear you want to bring. There is also a molded-in bottle holder and convenient carry handles to make transporting your kayak easier. The Maxim 100X is made with our patented Ramex material, an exceptionally durable triple-layer high molecular weight polyethylene, which creates a strong yet conveniently lightweight kayak that comes with a limited lifetime warranty on both the deck and hull. Weighing only 36 pounds makes this kayak easy to carry and store. During manufacturing, we add additional flotation in the form of foam blocks inside the kayak to ensure paddler safety. Made for the recreational paddler looking for better performance, the Maxim 100X will help you create the stories that you want to live.
AQUAGLIDE's Noyo 90 is their smallest decked boat. It offers a dry and comfortable ride for year-round paddling. It is 9 feet long and only weighs 21 pounds. It has a 250-pound capacity for paddler and gear. The covered decks offer full coverage on the bow and stern. This will keep you warm and dry. Although small in size, this kayak is extremely stable and forgiving. This is for someone looking for maneuverability over tracking, great for calm rivers and shorter trips on flat water. Its lightweight makes transporting to and from the water easy. It is constructed with welded internal bladders and an outer skin of Hex Shell 600 denier ripstop polyester for durability, puncture resistance, and UV resistance. The floor bladder is completely encased for added comfort and durability. The bow features a comfortable carry handle. Bungee deck rigging offers secure storage for dry bags or other gear. A zipper offers access to stow gear under the deck. Paddle holders on both tubes offers hands-free access when fishing, birdwatching, or grabbing a drink. The core seat offers thick padded seat cushion, along with a supportive and breathable high back rest. The seat installs easily in seconds with its quick release adjustment straps. The seat bottom has hook and loop to attach it to the floor. There are 4 easy access valves for inflating the side tubes, floor, and cockpit reed. Inflation with a hand pump takes about 10 minutes. Pumps are not included, they are sold separately. The rear deck includes a zipper for access to gear under the deck. There is a drain plug in the stern. When on shore, you can open this drain and lift the bow to drain any water that may be in the boat. For increased tracking, there's a fin box in the stern, and it comes with the AQUAGLIDE's quick release weedless fin. This boat includes a duffel-style carrying and storage bag. The boat and bag easily fits into the trunk of a car, a closet, or take it on the road with your RV. It can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. If you're looking for a light, stable, easy to set up decked kayak, this boat's for you.
Cruise, explore, and fish with kayaking's most well-rounded performer, the Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight tracking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance.
The Pescador Pro is a reel fishing kayak for reel enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and reclined, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a cup holder. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.